let us see process of source transformation in this video. Now what is source transformation? Source transformation is technique by which we can convert voltage source into current source or current source into voltage source. To simplify circuit, if there is more than one or more than two sources, current sources and voltage sources are in circuit, then to simplify circuit we have to use this source transformation technique. Let us take first example. Now in this example we have to convert given current source into voltage source. Now this 20 ampere current source is connected in parallel with this 4 ohm resistor. So to convert this current source into voltage source, what we have to use? We have to just use Ohm's law, that is V is equal to I into R. If I is 20 and R is 4, then V is I into R, that is 4 into 20, which is 80 volt. Now this 80 volt voltage source is now connected in series with 4 ohm resistor. Here the resistor which was in parallel with current source goes in series with voltage source. Also the direction of this current indicates positive terminal of your battery or positive terminal of voltage source. Similarly, in second example, we have to convert this circuit into single current source and single resistor. So, to convert single resistor, we can take simply algebraic sum of these three resistances, which is nothing but 4 plus 28 plus 8, which is 80 volt. And these two voltage sources we can see are now in series. The current flowing through circuit is single current. There is no dividation of current is taking place in this circuit. So these two voltage sources are in series. When positive terminal of one voltage source is connected to negative terminal of another voltage source, then these two voltage sources get added. So simply we can take addition of these two voltage sources, which is 80 volt, and resistor which is in series with this 80 volt voltage source is 40 ohm. Now we have to convert this voltage source into current source. Again we can apply Ohm's law, that is I is equal to V by R. I is equal to V by R. So we get I, that is 80 divided by 40, which is 2 ampere, and this 40 ohm resistor which was in series with voltage source goes in parallel with current source. Also direction, that is positive terminal of this battery, indicates upward direction of your current source. Let us take one more example. So in this example, what we have to do, using source conversion, reduce circuit into single voltage source and single resistance. So here we can see there are number of branches are in parallel. So when their number of branches are in parallel, we have to just simply convert voltage sources into current source, as when current sources are in parallel, then only their addition or subtraction takes place. Similarly, when voltage sources are in series, then only their addition and subtraction take place. It is not practical to add or subtract current sources are in series. So we have to convert these voltage sources are in parallel so that we can add and subtract our current sources, as current sources can only add and subtract when they are in parallel. So this 3 ohm resistor, this 3 ohm voltage source and 1 ohm resistor can be converted into current source by using I is equal to V by R, that is 3 by 1, which is 3 ampere, and this positive terminal of battery indicates direction towards right hand side. So this current source can be drawn like this, which is 3 ampere current, 3 by 1, which is 3 ampere, and direction of current to the right hand side. Positive terminal of battery indicates direction of your current. Resistor which was in series with voltage source goes in parallel with current source. Similarly, for this branch also we have to convert this voltage source into current source. So 12 divided by 4, I is equal to V by R, that is 12 divided by 4, which is 3 ampere. Again positive terminal of voltage source indicate direction of your current source, which is towards left hand side direction. This 4 ohm resistor goes in parallel with 3 ampere current source. Now we can see the 6 ampere current is traveling to left hand side, 3 ampere current traveling to left hand side and 3 ampere current traveling to right hand side. So current sources which are shows same direction or current which are traveling in similar direction, these two currents can get add, and this current now is subtracted from addition of these two currents. So 6 plus 3 minus 3, which is 6 ampere, and 3 resistances are already in parallel with this current source. So we just have to find now equivalent of these 3 resistances, which is 1 by 8 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 4. We can directly take this calculation on calci or by taking LCM, that is LCM of these 3 terms is 8. So here we have to convert numerator and denominator by 8. Here we have to convert numerator and denominator by 2. So we get finally 11 by 8, which is our 1 by R, and R is nothing but 8 by 11. Now this 8 by 11, that is our equivalent resistance, is in parallel with current source. Now in our question we have to find voltage source and resistor, single resistance and single voltage source. So V is equal to I into R, which is 8 multiplied by 6, which is 48 divided by 11. Direction indicates positive terminal of battery. Parallel resistor goes in series with voltage source. So this way we convert the circuit into single resistance and single voltage source. Let's take one more example. So in this example we have to convert single voltage source and single resistor using source conversion technique. So here also we can see number of branches are in parallel, so we need current sources again. So first of all let's take we have to add these two resistances. So I can convert this 4 ohm resistor and this 3 ampere current source which are in parallel. If direction of current is from this side, then at this point current get divided. So this branch and this branch are in parallel. So V is nothing but V is equal to IR. So 3 multiplied by 4, which is 12 volt, and direction of this current is downward, so positive terminal of battery is to the downward side. This resistor which was in series with current source goes in parallel with voltage source. Now we can take addition of these two resistances. Again from this circuit we can see this resistor is in series with this voltage source, so we can convert this into current source. It's I is equal to V by R, that is 12 divided by 3, which is 4 ampere, and direction is upward. Resistance which was in series with voltage source goes in parallel with current source. Now next step we can take addition of these two resistances, which is 4 plus 2, which is 6 ohm. Now this 6 ohm resistor goes in series with 12 volt battery. Now here we can see these 4 branches are in parallel now. Now to add current sources, to add or subtract current sources must be in parallel. So we can convert this voltage source into current source by using source transformation, which is I is equal to V by R, that is 12 divided by 6, which is 2 ampere. Positive terminal of battery indicate downward direction of your current source, and 6 ohm resistance which was in series with voltage source goes in parallel. Now here we can see from these two branches, these two currents are in opposite direction. One is upward, another is downward. So what we have to do, we just have to subtract these two current sources, and resulting current source is nothing but 2 ampere. This 2 ampere current source now is in parallel with these 3 resistances. Now to find equivalent of these 3 resistance, what we have to do, we just add their reciprocals, that is 1 by 6 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 3. We can take LCM of these 3 terms is 24. So to make denominator 24, we have to multiply by 4 in numerator and multiply by 4 in denominator. Here also multiply by 3, multiply by 3, multiply by 8, multiply by 8. Finally 1 by R is 15 by 24 and R is 24 by 15. Now this equivalent resistor is in parallel with this current source. In our question we have to find single voltage source and single resistance. So again let's just take V is equal to I into R, which is 48 divided by 15, and the parallel resistance goes in series with voltage source. Let us take one more example, final example. So in this example, convert given circuit into single current source and single resistor. Now here also number of branches are in parallel. When there are number of branches are in parallel, it is practical to convert given voltage sources into current sources, so that only we can take addition or subtraction. So if we consider this branch, we can convert this voltage source into current source, that is I is equal to V by R, 2 divided by 4, which is 0.5, and 0.5 ampere. This positive terminal indicates upward direction of your current source. So here we can draw like this. This 4 ohm resistor, which was in series with voltage source, goes in parallel with current source. Similarly, for this branch also, we can convert this voltage source into current source, which is V by R, which is 0.75 ampere. Series resistance, which was 8 ohm, goes in parallel. Now we have simplified our circuit. Now we can see, if we start to travel from terminal A to terminal B, these all branches are in parallel. So if we find equivalent of these two branches, that is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, which is 1 by 2, and 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8, which is 1 by 4. So we can directly connect this equivalent resistance like this: 1 by 2, that is 2, and 1 by 4, that is 4. Also this current source and this current source traveling in same direction, so we can take their addition, which is 1 ampere. Similarly, this current source and this current source traveling in opposite direction, so 3 minus 0.75, which is 2.25 ampere in upward direction and 1 ampere in upward direction. So we can draw circuit like this: 1 ampere in upward direction, equivalent resistance of two resistances are in parallel, 2.25 in upward direction, equivalent resistance of 8 ohm, two 8 ohm resistances, which is 4 ohm in parallel. Now here we can see, here this current source and this current source they are not in parallel. So what we have to do, we just have to convert this current source into voltage source and this current source into voltage source, so that they comes in series, and when voltage sources are in series, we can add or subtract our voltage sources. So V is equal to I into R, which is 2 volt, and again V is equal to I into R, that is 2.25 into 4, which is 9 volt. Now these two voltage sources and the resistances which was in parallel with current source goes in series with voltage source. Again resistance which was in parallel with this current source goes in series with this voltage source. Now here we can see this positive terminal of this voltage source is connected to negative terminal of this current source, which we have seen our first example. And then these two voltage sources we can simply add, which is 11 volt, and these two resistances again are in series, so we can simply add, which is 6 volt. Now in our question we have to find single current source and single resistance. So if we convert this single voltage source into current source, it becomes like this: positive terminal indicates battery direction of current, and series resistance is now in parallel with current source. So this way we can apply our source conversion techniques to simplify circuit.